Many-to-many, an application in medical field by a group of three, Chai Wen-Zhu, Wen Zhongchen, and Hua Junwei. Introduction. Many-to-many, a dementia and Alzheimer care mobile app was created to aid doctors, family members, caregivers, as well as dementia and Alzheimer sufferers in keeping track of their patients or themselves. It functions as a prescription tracker and pill reminder. A patient's medicine consumption may be tracked by family, friends, and caregivers using the Medi2Mind features of the app. Additionally, reports on medication intake data may be created and distributed to doctors. The software assists patients in keeping track of what to take and when, whether they are managing one prescription or numerous. While using our application, doctors and patients can set up their medication schedule and dose details. Patients can use our apps to track their medicine usage and use it as reminders, whereas doctors can track reports, keep track of patients' medication consumption, and set up caregivers for the patients. For instance, patients' family members as caregiver by using our app. Caregivers can use our app to update patients' medication status as well as keep track patients' medication details, including time to consume and dosage details. Our app gives family members and caregivers the ability to keep an eye on patients with interactive reminders, allowing them to take an active role in their loved ones' treatment and prevent any unplanned incident. As a result, it commonly enables dementia and Alzheimer patients to get protection and treatment. For the problem statement, did not have an application that can let the doctors or caregivers keep track on patients with interactive reminders totally. Patients often forget to consume medicine. Objective. Develop an application that allows doctors or caregivers to keep track on patients with interactive reminders. Remind patients to consume medicine on time. Notify caregivers to make sure the patients consume medicine on time. Scope of project. System scope. The Medi2Mind is expected to release for free in Google Play Store. It is compatible for Android 7.0 and above, and network connection is needed, while it is building using Android Studio version Chipmunk. User scope. Admin and end user. Admin and end user able to set up a medication schedule and those details. End users use the apps to track their medicine usage and use it as reminders. Admin track reports and keep track of patient medication consumption. Set up caregivers for their patients, for example, their family members. Project significant. Allow doctor or caregiver to keep track on patients with interactive reminders, supporting them to actively take part in the care of their loved ones and prevent any unplanned situations. Provide dementia and Alzheimer patients protection and care. Literature review. These are the comparison of Medi2Mind will be developed and other available apps in Play Store. Literature review summary. Medi2Mind has different functions and different users target compared to the other application available now. Medi2Mind is an application for patients and elders, especially for Alzheimer and dementia sufferers. To prevent patients to not intake medicine, it provides a function of set up caregiver to remind patients and his caregivers to consume medicine on time, so that their health are guaranteed. Besides, patients' medicine report can be generated at admin side, is rather on caregiver or doctor side, so that their recovery status can be monitored. For the methodology, the mobile application will be developed using rapid application development methodology, as the diagram shown below. Costing. The expenses associated with future system development and software choices are strongly connected. Only software and an internet connection are used in this ready-to-mine program. Software cost. To create a final system, this system must be implemented using an appropriate piece of software. The choice is based on how well the program fits the system requirements. The types of software and associated costs are shown in the table below. Gantt chart. This is the phases that we are using to develop the application ready to mine as the methodology that we use. And that's all from us. Thank you.